Hello, I'm Mike Rogers with Grand Design. I'm here to talk to you about camping comfortably in a 50 amp coach on a 30 amp service. One of the first things you're going to need is an adapter plug. So you can plug your 50 amp cord in and then plug this into your 30 amp pole. When you first plug your coach in, you've got to remember that your converter may go into bulk mode or bulk charging mode, which can cause it to run at about 12 to 15 amps approximately, allowing that to charge the battery. You want to give it a little bit of time, or you'll have to kick the breaker off to relieve that power. One other good reference would be your owner's manual. So in our owner's manual, going to have power usage. It's going to show you the amp draws for different components. These are approximate, but it does give you a good range on what you're actually using. Once you want to keep in mind what you're using on a 30 amp service so that you do not exceed that 30 amps. If you do, you'll end up tripping the breaker on the pole and you'll have to reset that. So camping comfortably in a 30 amp service, a lot of people will run around 2 ACs, and I could be able to do that with the reduced power. Running 1 AC during the day, and then maybe around dinner time, switching over to your bedroom AC will allow you to cool that area down before you go to bed. Another thing that you got to really consider is a couple high usage items. Say microwaves, hair dryers, different components that'll draw a high draw into them. What you're going to want to do is turn off your air conditioner regardless of which one you're using while you use that. So if I've got to use the microwave for a few minutes, turn that AC off. When the microwave's done, turn the AC back on. That'll keep you well within that 30 amps of power that you've got available. Some of the other things that you can look into, if your unit is so equipped, would be if your refrigerator or water heater have an LP function, would be putting those over onto the LP function, which will greatly reduce the power draw into them. So a few things to remember, keeping your air conditioner running at peak performance, making sure that your filters are clean. These can be removed out of the air conditioner. Clean them off real well. Make sure you're getting good airflow through there. That's going to reduce the draw into the air conditioner and not make it work quite as hard. One of the other things that you could do on warm days is keep your blinds down. Keep those blinds closed. Going to reduce the amount of sunlight that comes in, less heat coming in, the less the air conditioner is actually going to run and use. Less time it's on, less power it's using in the coach. So one other thing would be reducing power usage would be, remember to turn off those lights. Turn off those 12-volt lights, which would be the draw onto the battery. Less draw onto the battery, the less likely you are to have your converter kick into bulk mode, which would cause it to have a higher amp draw. So keep those in mind, keep the power usage down, and you can camp very comfortably. If you've got any more questions, please give us a call at our customer service, and we can certainly help you out. Thank you.